Do you have brows that don't match? Everybody does, so don't worry. Eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. This filter is a TikTok filter. It's really easy to use and it can show you where your brows should start, the highest point or the arch, and where they should end. If you get a stick and come up alongside the outside of your nostril, go straight up, this is where they should start. Often a 45-degree angle, this is where they should end. And the highest point, if you go to that outside of your nostril, up at a 45-degree angle, this is where the highest point should be. When you're filling in your eyebrows, go up towards the arch and down towards the end. Where they should start, if you go in a straight line up, just gently with the pencil, and then using the body of the pencil up through the body of the brow to fill them in. Then go in with a spoolie next and just brush the hairs, and that will make it look much more natural. So you can see now this one's much more filled in, nice high arch compared to that side. If you want to nail it in the hair and beauty industry, you need to follow me. I'm Sarah Naylor and I teach bored broke teenagers the practical skills in beauty like brows, lashes and nails, plus the business tools so that they can build their very own beauty business.